What's going on YouTube? So we have a VRS case here, but this case is actually a wallet. Let's see what we got. So you could pick this up at VRS. I'll put a link down below, but I have found it super interesting and I thought I would share this with you guys. Now, I usually use a traditional leather wallet and I have for a lot of years, so I didn't really know what to think about this. But I'm actually pretty impressed with this wallet. This wallet has a semi-automatic door on it. You just kind of press it and it pops open. It has the RFI boosting and blocking card technology. It is smooth on one side and kind of textured on another, so it kind of grips. It has a lanyard. You can either carry it on your wrist or around your neck if you're out hiking. It has a lot of good features, you know, for security and style, and I didn't think I was going to like it at all, but actually I really do like it, and I think I'm going to be picking me up another one. I think my wife is going to claim this one from me. But so I really thought it was really interesting and a really cool device, so I want to show you guys. So let's take a look and see what we have here. Get this opened. I was really surprised. I received this as a promotional thing from ordering, you know, I order a lot of VRS cases, so you know, I just happened to order a case and they were like, here's your free gift. So I said, well, let me check this gift out here. Now here is the package here. This holds the RFID blocker, I believe, and it just tells you about it. And it's, you know, it's for the people that's on the go, and it's not your traditional wallet, so it's something new and exciting. Now this is going to be one of the best features about this wallet. So, you know, I go to work, I have to scan my badge, and if I use a regular blocking RFID card in my wallet, it won't work. So this side I can place my ID and it'll allow me to scan through, and the other side will block. It'll actually block the card, so my credit cards. So that'll greatly decrease the chance of me getting scammed and this and that. Now I have tried to put my ID on the blocking side and I can't get in, so I know it's actually working. And it's a pretty good technology. It says you can use it for transient cards, identification key cards, and things like that. So it is really an interesting piece of material here. Now I thought I would show you guys this here because it is pretty nice. You know, it helps with identity theft, sensitive information, as well as it increased the recognition of proximity cards and things like that. So that's pretty interesting. Now let me show you this thing here. It's nice and smooth on one side, and this side here, it is a textured material. Now this is the type of material you have from VRS on their cases. So if you're wondering, and designed by VRS in California, so that is really interesting to know, and I feel pretty good about that. Now you can see the design of this on here. And it's a very minimalistic design, which is really clean, which I actually kind of like it. Now I had ordered this pastel color because I do believe this was going to be something for my wife to use, and as I started checking it out, I was like, hey, this is pretty nice. So I've been using it for a while, and now she's going to want it, so I'm going to have to pick me up another one. And this, you can put a spare key or some change in there if you want. But this part here, this is the good part. Look, you just tap it and it slides open, kind of locks, and it snaps back. Without doing that, you can't open it. So I thought that was pretty interesting. You know, it really does lock the cards down in there. They're not going to fall out. Now in my pocket, you know, I would never wear my leather wallet in my front pocket, but you can kind of just slide this in your pocket, you know, along with your phone, your front pocket or your back pocket, and it's quite comfortable and it's quite tough. I said, well, I'll sit on this thing and break it. Nope, didn't break it. There's a lanyard. You can put it around your neck if you're going hiking, you got shorts on, and you want to keep your key with you and your ID. There you go. Now, I'm sure you could do this with one hand, but it's semi-automatic and it just kind of retracts open or retracts close. So I thought that was pretty good. Now, like I said, I've been pretty traditional in my ways, but I think I'm actually going to try to switch over to one of these types of wallets. There's so many on the market, and I never really wanted to invest in one because I just wasn't sure about it. But this is a really nice device. You see the little gap there for your finger, and it just slides open and slides closed. It is super nice. And you know, it's made by VRS, so you know, you guys are buying these VRS cases and you like it. This is the same type of material. It's got a little bit different texture to it, which is kind of nice. It's a PU leather. It's a polycarbonate and a thermoplastic polyurethane, and it's just one side's one and the other side's the other, and they come with a clear. They got a lot of different colors, a lot of different styles for it. So be sure to check this out, guys, and I'm gonna leave a link below. I appreciate y'all watching, and until next time, later.